Not being able to view message previews on your iPhone's lock screen can be quite inconvenient, especially if you use apps like Messages, WhatsApp, or Messenger. This problem could be due to misconfigured settings or privacy options that prevent message previews from showing. Here's how to fix this can't view message on lock screen issue on your iPhone. Before you follow anything, scroll down the control panel. Try to turn off Do Not Disturb, Low Power Mode, and Silent Mode. After that, follow this advanced process. Solution 1. Enable Attention Aware feature. Open the Settings app, scroll down, tap Face ID and Passcode. Enter your passcode. Scroll down, Enable Attention Aware feature. If this is already enabled, then turn it off, turn it back on again. After that, restart your iPhone. Solution 2. Check Notification Settings. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Notifications. Tap Show Previews. Select Always. Go back. Scroll down. Select Message apps from the list that you are having issues with. For me, I'll select the Messages app. First, ensure that Allow Notifications are toggled on. Under Alerts, make sure the lock screen is checked. Scroll down. Tap Show Previews and set it to Always. With these steps, you should be able to fix the issue of not being able to view messages on your iPhone's lock screen. If you're still experiencing problems, feel free to leave a comment for further assistance. Thanks for watching.